Let's see what Santa Claus gets you. It's Keon on Christmas. Over Granny's. Gigi's.
Merry Christmas.
You wanna go brush your teeth?
Merry Christmas, Keon.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. What's the matter? He's sleepy. What is going on here?
Go get your stuff. See what Santa Claus brought you.
Santa Claus came.
Santa Claus came.
Here. Hold on. No, mine.
Yep.
Yeah. Wait. We're waiting for Gigi.
Now go. You can go ahead.
What is going on?
You didn't see me. That's karate kid. I don't like something. So long. Okay, wait. Open the rest of your bag.
Open all the stuff. Is that
No, that's not yours.
Big Sam, here's his bag sack.
All right here. There's some stuff under there, isn't it? Yeah, there's two under
That's
there.
all his over here. Right, all that.
Copy the, what you call it,
Yeah,
there.
all that's yours.
Not for you. This is for
Here, let me go get this plastic bag I have.
So you can put it all in here. Oh.
You know what that is?
Yeah. Daddy.
You see it on TV?
No. My cousin had it.
You got you one now.
You like the Christmas tree?
It looked like you like the tree, huh? Go look at this tree. Oh boy.
Oh, thank you, Applebee.
Oh, you're welcome.
I've always wanted one. If someone couldn't get me. Is there any vowels in here?
You gotta come back. You gotta open the rest of your stuff.
He took his one and rolled with it.
Reusable card or something?
Open the rest of the stuff, boy.
No.
That one's not reusable, but
Just need it to know.
yeah, there are vowels.
I don't like no more candy.
You don't like no more games?
Time body candy.
No more candy?
Is it something that I wanted?
It's something that you already have and you use it all the time.
My phone?
Aside from your phone.
SpongeBob game. My iPad.
No.
I use it all the time.
Just tear it off.
Team credit card. Team Bucks card. How much did I get on it?
You have to go see them.
Ooh. Okay. Thank you.
All right, what's this?
Who's this from?
Eddie Bowers. Well, she bought a designer shoe. Who bought a shoehorn? What a crappy gift. Oh. Oh, knife and fork set for your shoes.
Those are, Those
That's
are spoons
yours.
and forks to eat with.
No,
They used to go camping.
camping. Oh.
Sonic! That's all I wanted.
Okay, you want me to take
Do I
that
put this in the bag? Yeah. Or in here?
in the pouch, they say. Here they say pouch.
Oh well, oh well. Alexis. Thanks, Alexis. My next gift. My gift. Oh, you're welcome. Here, keep your stuff on your side.
Hand me that paper towel.
My stuff. Is this mine or no?
That's yours.
Mm-hmm.
Read it. What does it say?
Kylie.
Thank you, Gigi. I don't want to give back this.
You said what?
I don't want to give back.
You don't want to give back.
I don't want no more sleeves.
You don't want
I
to
can
see
do all this. Tape. Thank you, Gigi.
You the only kid can't open a gift. This is from Alexis. This is what Alexis bought you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Gigi.
Oh,
Thank you, Gigi.
I didn't know if you was gonna like it or not.
Can you put it on me? Give it to me. The little goldfish. Oh, thanks, Alexis. You're welcome.
You didn't want no CDs?
Now I got my own CD. So I won't be asking my mom, can I sing my new song? Dang.
You could trade the chain for a bigger chain, I think.
He's about to be out of here.
Yeah, he's gone.
You got more stuff over there in the bag.
We're here.
Bag on the floor.
Relax. You don't care.
Bag on the floor here.
No, not that one. It's
Oh.
Gap bag.
Got the bag. Oh yeah, he really. He's not gonna. Hey, you got you some. Look at this. Some new clothes. Oh shucks. Goodbye. Okay, you're pretty much. You're okay.
I think you need the next size.
Yeah.
And he's off.